to show you guys. This is the new Huda Beauty mascara. They call it Legit Lashes, and it has dual end as well, just like their eyeliner. One end is volume and the other end is curl and length. This is like a big version of their eyeliner. This is the eyeliner. It's diamond as well. The mascara is the big version. Huda Beauty sent me this. Thank you so much, Huda and the team. New Legit Lashes. It has dual ends, 2 brushes, 2 formulas, 1 legit mascara. That's their tagline. It's retail for $27, and the features are volume and definition, curl and length, and very black formula. Formula for the darkest lashes, Vanta Black. They call it Vanta Black. If you want to combine them together, use volume first and then curl and length. I actually want to use volume here and then length here, the curl and length the other side, and see the difference, if there is difference. First up is volume and length. So this is volume. I actually like the tip of the brush. It's small enough that it can go inside in the inner corner of my eye and coat those little tiny lashes that I have in there. So that's volume. Can't really see it right now. I'm gonna do the lower lash as well and see if it's gonna work. Wow. Okay. Next I want to use curl and length. I think curl and length has those tiny fibers. Wow, this side is actually giving me length. You guys see that? Okay. Alright, definitely this side is a lot longer. Can't wait until I combine them and see. Okay, I don't think I need false lashes today. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I like it like this. I like my lashes like this. I would actually prefer this than false lashes. It's very black. I like it. I like the volume. It opens my eyes. Some people says it hurts them. I'm not getting that vibe. It doesn't hurt at all. I can't feel the fibers. Other mascaras that has fibers inside, it hurts my eye. This one doesn't. Going to choose a side though, I'm gonna use, I like the length, the curly and length more than the volume. I like this. Thank you, Huda.